Think aliens only exist in outer space? Think again. Our own planet, a world we believe we know so intimately, harbors life forms so strange, so astonishingly different from ourselves, that they could easily be mistaken for visitors from a distant galaxy. These are not creations of science fiction, but living, breathing beings shaped by millions of years of evolution in the most extreme and hidden corners of our Earth. They are a testament to the boundless imagination of nature, a reminder that the greatest wonders are often found right here, beneath our feet and in the deepest, darkest waters. Today, we're exploring 7 real-life creatures so bizarre they look like they're from another planet. We will journey from the sunlit lakes of Mexico to the crushing pressures of the abyssal plains, uncovering the secrets of these extraordinary animals. Each one has developed unique and almost unbelievable strategies for survival, pushing the very boundaries of what we understand life to be. Prepare to question what you thought was possible as we peel back the veil on these natural marvels, these true aliens of Earth. Our first encounter takes us to the cool freshwater lakes near Mexico City, the ancient home of a creature that seems to have discovered the fountain of youth. This is the axolotl. At first glance, it appears almost cartoonish, soft, pinkish-white body, a whimsical, seemingly permanent smile. Its head is adorned with a spectacular crown of feathery external gills, which wave gently in the water, absorbing oxygen. It looks not like a fully formed adult, but rather a larval stage, a tadpole that has decided never to grow up, neoteny. This perpetual youthfulness grants the axolotl an ability that borders on the supernatural, extraordinary regeneration. Should it lose a limb in a skirmish with a predator, it does not simply form a scar. Instead, it regrows the entire limb perfectly. Bone muscle skin nerve. This remarkable feat is not limited to just its legs. An axolotl can regenerate damaged portions of its spinal cord and even parts of its brain without any scarring. It is a biological superpower that continues to fascinate scientists, holding potential keys to unlocking similar healing capabilities in other species, including our own. Its eyes, dark and lidless, seem to hold ancient secrets. They stare out from its pale face, giving it an otherworldly, almost ethereal quality. We now plunge far from the sunlit surface down into the crushing, eternal darkness of the deep sea. Here, at depths of over 1,000 meters, roams a living fossil whose lineage stretches back 125 million years. This is the goblin shark. Its appearance is truly unsettling. It has a long, flattened snout, like a blade, covered in sensory pores. These pores detect the faint electrical fields of its prey. Its skin is a ghostly, semi-translucent pink, revealing blood vessels beneath, but its most terrifying feature is its jaw. Normally, it's tucked neatly under the snout, yet it is spectacularly protrusible. When an unsuspecting creature drifts by, fish, squid, crustacean, the jaw launches forward with incredible speed, extending almost to the end of the snout. It's a catapult-like mechanism, snatching prey with long, needle-like teeth. This lightning-fast ambush is necessary in a place where meals are scarce. Seeing it in action is to witness something truly alien. The whole face transforms in a split second. From the darkness of the abyss, we ascend to the vibrant, humid rainforests of Central America, South America. Here, clinging to the underside of leaves overhanging rushing streams, we find a creature that masters the art of disappearance. This is the glass frog. It is a tiny amphibian, often no bigger than a thumbnail, with brilliant lime green skin on its back. This color alone provides excellent camouflage amongst the lush foliage. But the truly alien aspect of this frog is revealed when you look at it from below. Its underside is completely transparent. The skin on its belly is like a pane of glass, offering an unobscured view of its internal organs. You can see its tiny heart beating rhythmically, the red of its liver, the intricate coils of its digestive tract, and even the pale bones of its skeleton. This is not a genetic anomaly. It is a sophisticated form of camouflage. When the frog presses itself against a leaf, the transparency of its belly and legs, we descend once more, this time to the cold, desolate floor of the deep ocean, often more than 3,000 meters below the surface. In this silent alien landscape, we find an animal of unexpected charm and grace. This is the Dumbo octopus, named for the 2 prominent ear-like fins that protrude from the sides of its head. Unlike other octopuses that use jet propulsion to move, the Dumbo octopus elegantly flaps these large fins, appearing to fly through the water like a flying elephant. This method of locomotion gives it a gentle, almost whimsical appearance, a stark contrast to its harsh, high-pressure environment. These creatures are the deepest living of all known octopuses, spending their entire lives in the abyssal and hadal zones, where sunlight has never reached. Here, they hover just above the seafloor, their 8 webbed arms spread out like a ghostly umbrella, searching for small crustaceans, worms, and other invertebrates that crawl along the sediment. They are patient hunters in a world of perpetual twilight. Our journey now takes us to the temperate coastal waters, southern Australia, Western Australia, a world of swaying kelp forests, seagrass beds. Hidden amongst the marine foliage is a creature so exquisitely camouflaged, more a piece of art than an animal. This is the leafy sea dragon, a close relative of the seahorse. Its entire body is adorned with intricate, leaf-like appendages that perfectly mimic the serrated fronds of kelp and the seaweed in which it lives. These lobes are not used for swimming. They are purely for disguise. Propulsion comes from 2 tiny, almost invisible fins, one on its back, one on its neck. Those fins oscillate rapidly, allowing the sea dragon to drift gracefully with the current. It moves with the gentle sway of the seaweed, becoming virtually indistinguishable. This masterful camouflage is its primary defense against predators. Its disguise is so perfect that even the sea dragon's own eyes are hidden. We return to the crushing depths, to one of the most extreme environments on the planet, hydrothermal vents. These are fissures in the seafloor that spew superheated, mineral-rich water, creating a toxic oasis of life in the abyss. It is here, clinging to the volcanic chimneys, that we find a creature that looks like it has danced out of a fantasy novel. This is the Yeti crab. Its most striking feature is its long white pincers, which are covered in silky, hair-like bristles known as setae. These hairy arms are not for warmth or decoration. They are a garden. The setae are home to vast colonies of filamentous bacteria. The crab rhythmically waves its arms through the mineral-rich plumes of the hydrothermal vents, cultivating these bacteria, which it then scrapes off with special comb-like mouthparts and eats. For our final creature, we leave the oceans and travel to the vast, arid steppes of Central Asia. Here, migrating across harsh, windswept plains, is an antelope that seems to have been designed by a science fiction artist. This is the saiga. Its most prominent and utterly alien feature is its nose. It is not a normal nose, large, swollen, flexible proboscis with downward-facing nostrils, resembling a short, fleshy trunk. This bizarre nasal structure is a marvel of biological engineering. During the bitterly cold winters, the saiga's large nose functions as a highly efficient radiator, warming the frigid air before it reaches the animal's lungs. From the smiling axolotl to the star-nosed saiga, we have journeyed across our planet and met beings that challenge our very definition of what an animal should look like. These creatures are not aliens from another world. They are our neighbors, shaped by the same evolutionary forces that shaped us, yet sculpted into forms of breathtaking strangeness. They are a powerful testament to the sheer diversity of life and the incredible adaptability that allows it to flourish in every conceivable niche, from the deepest trench to the driest plain. Their existence enriches our world and expands our imagination. The more we explore, the more we realize that our own world is the most alien and wonderful planet we know. Which of these alien animals surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.